Assalamu alaikum guys. I'm back with another update. Welcome to smartazan.com. It's a Windows software to play Azan automatically for your Google Home, computer or Amazon Alexa speakers. Please view the description below if you need help installing this software. Let's get started with the new update. So I received a lot of input from my YouTube users and via email where people wanted to ask how to save energy. They wanted to save electricity and they're not willing to leave their computers on all the time. So I ended up adding a new feature. Basically, it's a Windows sleep feature. So let's enable the Windows sleep feature. I will go to start and I will type in sleep. Click on this option, power and sleep settings. This window will pop up. Now in my case, I'm using a desktop, and over here it says on battery power computer. This is for laptops or a computer which is connected with the battery pack. In my case, this is my option. Currently I have it set to never go to sleep, but for example, let's say you want to save energy, you can tell your computer, hey, go to sleep after 5 minutes. What this does is it will turn off your computer. It will take a very little amount of electricity. That's it, you're all set. Now next time when Adhan plays, it will play automatically even if your computer is in sleep mode. In case you're having issues with the sleep mode, just make sure following setting is enabled. Click on start and click on edit power plan. When you see this screen, then click on change advanced power settings, and then you should see an option called sleep, and in sleep you should see an option allow wake timers, and make sure these options are enabled. If these options are disabled, then you may have problem having Adhan play automatically with the sleep option enabled. Thank you, have a nice day, and please subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my new videos. Thank you.